Donald Trump's tariffs across Mexico and Canada are already causing ripples across the stock market and the currency markets. Is it good for America or bad? Well, first of all, obviously, Canada and Mexico, 25% tax on goods going into America. That's massive, and that's going to reduce the growth of both of those countries. They're talking retaliation. In America, that means that the goods that they buy from Mexico, that's food goods and, of course, parts for automobiles that come in from both of those countries, as well as Canada produces oil that then goes into America for refinery. All of those things are likely to increase in price. So you get more inflation. The dollar's already increased and likely to increase further. It means interest rates are going to stay high and perhaps could even go higher in America. Ultimately, it slows down the US economy, increases inflation. Donald Trump says it's necessary, and of course, he's a negotiator. But now the word's out, 25% tax. Europe will be paying attention. Does that mean he's going to get good negotiations with Europe and get his own way? That's, of course, exactly what he wants to do. He's picked on both these countries. Why? Because that's the easy win. He can go for those taxes and then he can negotiate with the Chinese, with Europe, and make sure that he gets the best for America. Many will say, that's Trump. He's a businessman. He's the one to do the deals. Okay, but always remember that whilst there can be positives, there's a negative effect potentially as well. Stock markets don't like uncertainty. Expect there to be volatility right over the next few months. Of course, there are many markets that will increase, the energy sector, for example, because Donald Trump is allowing the energy sector to drill, baby, drill. In other words, the oil industry is able to expand and grow. So whilst there's going to be companies that struggle and suffer because there's been changes, there's actually other opportunities that you can invest in order to make sure that you're making money, whatever happens in the stock market. Always make sure you seek financial advice. For me, smart diversification is always better in the long term.